Money flows to you when you align your thoughts with abundance. This video landing in your lap is no mere coincidence. It's a sign, an encouragement from the universe guiding you toward unlocking financial freedom. How can simply visualizing turn the tide of fortune in your favor? Alfred A. Montepert tells us that to achieve big goals, we need to dream first, then see it in our minds, make a plan, believe in it, and finally take action. When you apply this to attracting money, it means imagining the wealth you want, truly believing in your ability to achieve it, planning how to get there, and then making it happen with your actions. Visualization is a superpower we all have, but often forget to use. It's not a magic trick or something only certain people can do. Scientists and psychologists have studied it, and guess what? It works. It's not just for yogis or spiritual folks. Even top athletes and big bosses in companies use it to get ahead. So, what is visualization? Try playing a movie in your head, but this movie is all about what you want your future to look like. And don't just watch. You try to feel, hear, and even smell all the things in this movie as if they're real. Doing this can trick your brain into thinking you're already living this awesome future. That helps you spot opportunities and gives you a push to make it happen. Why does visualization matter? We're all very busy nowadays. Phones buzzing, lots of work, and sometimes we forget what we're after. Visualization helps you focus on what's important, like a reminder of where you want to go. Now, how can this help you get more money? Well, it starts with believing there's plenty out there for everyone, including you. Visualization helps you tune into this idea of plenty, making it easier to attract money. Find a quiet place where you can relax. Close your eyes and think about what having more money would feel like. Try to see it, touch it, and feel the happiness it brings. Do this often. Like any skill, it gets better with practice. Step 1 in your journey to becoming rich is to get clarity about what you want. You need to be detailed. Think about what you want, right down to how it feels to hold that money, the sounds around you when you realize you've got it, and even the smells. This isn't daydreaming. It's your future. Write it all down and make it as real as possible in your mind. The clearer the picture, the more real it becomes. Step 2 is to feel it in your bones. Now that you have visualized the script, it's time to bring on the emotions. How does it feel to have all that money? Amazing, right? Feel that excitement, joy, or relief right now as if your bank account is already overflowing. This step is crucial. It's the emotional charge that powers up your visualization, making the universe sit up and take notice. Now it's action time. Here's where you bring your dream into reality. You've got to start moving towards that money. Don't sit back and wait. Start taking small steps every day that align with your vision. Yes, there will be bumps along the road. When they come, close your eyes. See yourself handling these challenges like a boss and keep moving forward. Your actions are the magic wand turning your vision into reality. Become a student of wealth. Learn everything you can about making and managing money. Read books. Talk to people who have done what you're dreaming of, and take a class if you need to. Use this knowledge to refine your vision, making it even more powerful. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to wealth. In the final step, make visualization a daily ritual. Twice a day, give yourself 10 minutes to dive into your vision. Right when you wake up and just before you sleep are golden times. Your brain is most receptive then, soaking up your vision and working on it even when you're not aware. It's like planting a seed and watering it every day. Give it time, and it will grow. Now let's get into the real magic. Jerry Gillies emphasizes the importance of visualizing what you truly desire, not what others expect of you. In terms of money, this means focusing your visualization on the financial goals that genuinely matter to you. By doing so, you align your energy with your true desires, making it more likely for you to attract the wealth you seek. When you practice visualization this way, money starts coming towards you as if you've turned on a magnet. It sounds mysterious, almost like a secret society thing, but it's all about aligning your energy with what you want. You see yourself in this future where money is no longer a worry, living it up, enjoying every moment. The universe can't help but respond. As you keep doing this, you'll start noticing opportunities you never saw before. Maybe it's a new job offer, a side hustle idea, or even finding money you didn't know you had. It's as if the universe is conspiring to make your vision a reality. And the best part, you don't have to tell anyone what you're doing. It's your secret weapon. To address and overcome monetary limitations effectively, one must first undertake the task of identifying and acknowledging existing financial blocks and limiting beliefs. These can stem from rooted societal or familial views that sense wealth negatively, or plant a sense of undeservedness. The initial step involves a thorough self-assessment to catalog these blocks. Next strategies include employing a variety of techniques such as meditation, journaling, visualization, and the utilization of positive affirmations. These methods collectively serve to shift one's mindset towards a more abundance-friendly perspective, reinforcing the belief in one's worthiness of financial prosperity. Elevating one's vibrational frequency is crucial in the manifestation of wealth. A higher vibrational state is inherently attractive to abundance, facilitating a conducive environment for the achievement of financial goals. This elevation can be achieved through mindful observation and modification of one's thoughts and emotional responses. Replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, practicing gratitude, and engaging in activities that foster joy are effective practices in this endeavor. Meditation serves as a powerful tool for connecting with one's inner self, thus promoting a higher state of consciousness and clarity regarding one's financial aspirations. The practice of gratitude is instrumental in attracting wealth. It creates a positive feedback loop with the universe, where expressing thankfulness for current blessings invites further abundance. Maintaining a gratitude journal, where one records aspects of their life for which they are thankful, amplifies this effect. This practice not only develops a positive outlook, but also aligns one's energy with the frequency of abundance. Engaging in acts of generosity and giving back to the community plays a significant role in the manifestation of wealth. This principle operates from the belief that the act of giving, without the expectation of return, opens the channels of abundance. Such acts must be performed from a place of genuine generosity and joy, as this authenticity aligns with the universal law of abundance, inviting increased financial flow into one's life. Through giving, individuals not only contribute to the well-being of others, but also affirm their position within the cycle of abundance, thereby attracting more wealth into their lives. So there you have it, your secret guide to attracting money through visualization. Remember, the key is to be clear, feel it, take action, learn, and make it a daily practice. Keep at it, and soon you'll be living that dream for real. Who knew the key to unlocking wealth was all in your head?